Well, hello there. How you doing? How you doing? How's your day? Great? Good. So yeah. I got Teardown. Just vibing to the music. Yeah, everything's working. I'll just turn it up a bit. Okay, we're gonna play Mod Manager, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Where is... Oh my goodness, where is it? Ah, decommissioned power plant. Yep, that's what I want. Ah, playing with a ray tracing mod on. It's insane. A 3070 graphics card did this. Without it, it's... what? What? Ooh, propane tank. Is literally everything glued to the floor? Okay. Okay, that's how you play the game. Hook shotgun. It's always so loud. Look at this. That's cool. Okay. Funny map. Very useless though. I wanna go into sandbox. This map, I have a roleplay option that I wanted to do for a while. Look at this. If we go change weather, foggy. Look at this. Wait, I'm in the wrong side of the map. Okay. Roleplay begins now. Ah, Father, I wish you were proud. Got my own fishing boat, though, owners never let me in. Never gave me a key. So I just have to go around, I guess. Boat. Big boat. Hope you're proud. So, the government, I work in the fishing industry, called Lee's Fish. Yes, we're talking about Lee. I work for both Gordon and Lee. Yes, I've been playing the campaign. Told me to tow a boat. Which boat I can. This good old boat here. Never quite told me how to tow it. So, I'm just gonna take my cables. Glued. Actually, no. How do you get rid of cables in this game? Ah. Good old trusty. Okay. Gotta go out to sea to fish. Quite foggy day. Could be in a chance of rain. You'll find out, I guess. I guess I'll find out. Let's tow the boat. Oh god. It's deep. Deep waters. Waters deep. They just told me to sink the boat out at sea. Just gonna quickly cable it up. Let's go see how batteries are doing. What happened to the batteries? The batteries are... Oh god, they're halfway flooded. That could be dangerous, but I guess we'll never know. Guess we won't know. Okay. Okay, how's my boat? Don't overstress cables. No. I'm not gonna take it out to sea. I really shouldn't have this, but the money I've earned has bought me the laser. Tell me how to get rid of it. Never did. Okay. We got this. Sank the boat. Wait, are those the owners? They're coming. They're wondering what the noise is. Get out. Just get out. Gosh, if only this thing could have get an upgrade. Oh gosh. Gosh. So hard to see. Wait. Oh god, the clouds just pulled in. Clouds just pulled in. Oh no, this is awful. This is a disaster. I can't see anything. Can't see anything. Wait. Boat ahoy! Boat ahoy! Ahoy, mate! How you doing? How you doing? Oh, sorry. Ah, my super vacuum. It's pouring. I have to go back in. I have to dock. It's too dangerous to fish. Go. Hey, mate. Mate. I can pull you along. He says his boat's stuck. Cable. Okay. We're cabled. Wait. No. Don't you dare crash. Go. It's getting too rainy for my liking. I feel like I just bumped into that boat. Gosh, he's bumping. He is bumping. He's violating. He's violating privacy. Go. Oh gosh. Spent my family's fortune on this thing. Said it would go fast. What sort of speeds do these look like? I did buy it off of a random guy for 15. What the? What the? Did I just crash? I crashed. Sorry, mate. I'm drowning. Help. Oh, God. For nothing. You thought I was gonna be nice to you? No! But the boat's damaged. It's bad. It's really bad. Okay. Docking. Guys, yeah, I know this ain't edited out. Where am I? Prop pack, vehicle pack, no. Weather. Oh God, it's thundering. Get in. Dock. Dock quickly. No. The lightning's too hard. Just close and docked. Oh god. Oh gosh, it's real thunder. I'm just playing. Yeah. If I got my editing program up and running on the new computer, which I will do next week. Yeah. This will It's pouring. Oh, good night. Okay, do your thing. Oh, it's bright. Is that all just a dream? I can't right now. There's no way that was all a dream, right? It's terrifying. Wait, one way to check. Is the front of my boat slightly damaged if I'm crashing? Okay. Oh, yep, that was not a joke. Oh, God. I have to patch this thing up. It's bleeding. Alright, the loose objects. Oh god. We'll act like that didn't happen. Gosh. What the? Oh god. It's been real windy while oh goodness, my boat. Mechanics. Oh gosh. Sorry, gonna have to borrow your vehicle. Okay, comment guys down below if I should post another roleplay video just in like this Wednesday. I'm posting this Sunday, this Wednesday. Comment down below. Roleplay or just a generic video. Roleplay? Roleplay. It's up to you guys. It's not my choice, it's your choice. I mean, if no one comments anything, then I'm choosing roleplay because it's fun. But if you choose generic video, there will just not be a roleplay video, but it'll come out Sunday. Hey! Sniper on the loose! He's put a hole in my ship. Hey! Hey! Now I'm acting as like another one. Hey! What you doing? I told you to not come back here. Hey, Billy! You have 10 minutes to get out of here. Yikes. You get over here, Billy. Oh, you're not gonna see the light of day again. My oh. My boat. You rented it out. You little... Whoa. What's happening? Hey. God, what did this man do? My boat! I thought we had a deal. You wouldn't do anything to harm my boat. And you wouldn't come back. I rented it for free. You little Billy. Where are you? Where are you? See? Add all your oil. That's all yours. Don't be shy. I have a more powerful gun if you don't come out soon. Come on, it's your choice. Get out here, Billy. I will kill you. Jeez. This thing has knockback. As soon as I find you, you will be more rotten than a potato. That's your warning to come on out. I know it's your house. It's already have a hole in it. Get out. Where are you? Left. Wait. Where's my boat? Where's my boat? Oh, you. I know you're playing with your friends again on the other boat. Oh, get out. Okay, bye-bye.